Yo, what's going on, chat? Today we're going to do a trade recap because when I traded today, I didn't record. So we're just going to get right into that real quick here. Get into today's trade recap of March 20th. Took a short on ES today. I'm going to the reason why. Give me 1 second. Let me grab my glasses. I'll run y'all through the thesis of why I took my trade today. Let's run you all guys through the thesis of why I took my trade. My shit looking kind of fuzzy. My little sister's on my laptop. Shit. Run you all through the thesis of why I took my trade today. Let's do this. Get right into it. So first of all, daily bias. You're gonna start with the higher time frame, right? Especially on ES and NQ. You're gonna get started off with your higher time frame. So coming into the day when I came into the market around 9:30, that was some other time. So when I came to the market around 9:30, around this time, obviously we was bearish overall over here. And when we tap into this, like once we swept these highs right here, so it, but that was yesterday. That was yesterday. You feel me? So going to the 1 minute. When you see things, you just know. You all make this shit seem like it's hard when it's easy. So on an hourly time frame, right here was in 7 o'clock was the moment where you was able to get your if then scenario situation going. You know, a lot of people struggle with profitability, and I would say honestly, one thing that helped me is setting up if this happened, then I'll execute on that scenario. So the if then scenario. So if we respect this, then if we respect this bearish SIBI, then obviously we're bearish. But if we disrespect it, then we're going to be bullish. So if then scenarios. This is a better way to help you all navigate throughout the markets, I'll say. Going on the 15-minute chart. We got 15-minute imbalances over here and over here. There was also the SMT happened around market open or sometime after market open. Like dang, even it says even before market open. Okay, so this S&T was like it was there, very obvious today. Like today was like easy shorts. Not even gonna lie. Okay, so boom on NQ, we tapped into this SIBI, and not only that, we also swept these highs over here. Okay, we did not do that on ES. Bears SMT divergence here. Okay, so after we did that, SMT price broke structure. So we swept high, swept liquidity here on ES. We didn't do so. SMT. Okay, we broke structure. You gotta be patient for this. I waited to see price break structure on NQ and also ES. So when we broke structure on ES and NQ, then I'll go ahead and I throw my fib on there because I'm looking for a retracement for a continuation confluence. So after we broke structure, after we swept liquidity, 1, we broke structure. 2, now we're looking for a continuation confluence via what? Equilibrium or fucking fair value gaps. Here we got equilibrium. So after price broke structure, I was on the 1 minute just waiting to see a breaker structure back to the upside or a 5-minute closed candle, which you all just recently saw. So over here on ES, right? Price broke structure to the upside here. So with price broke structure, I just knew. I just knew to be more patient. I was like, all right, possible entry here. If price inverse this gap right here, definitely be embarrassed. I'm definitely just gonna spam shorts. Set my TP at my stop loss at the high, my TP at these lows here. Now, when it comes down to execution wise, when we got down here, Price just got the chopping, like chop fest, crazy as hell. But yeah, guys, I got all around like around here. I was trying to hold this trade because we ended up taking out these lows on NQ before we did on ES, and I don't know, it got the chop in here, and then but at the end of the day, take your piece of the pie, be grateful with it though. Um, it's not a guarantee that you'll always get big RR moves. So I hope you all enjoyed this one. I hope myself enjoyed this one because I don't know if I'm posted or not, but at the end of the day, hope you all enjoy this. Try to keep it short and just enjoy, man.